Hello, welcome to this video. We will solve referral-based access control challenge. To access the challenge, click on the given link. This challenge is part of access control category and difficulty is practitioner. Challenge description is given as this lab controls access to certain admin functionality based on referral header. You can familiarize yourself with the admin panel by logging in using the credential. To solve the lab, login in using winner account and exploit the flawed access control to promote yourself to become an administrator. So to solve the lab, we need to promote normal user account to admin account. And we have got the admin credential to understand this workflow. So this is the challenge page. Click on the My Account to log in with admin user. Copy the provided username and password and click on Login button. So this challenge is related to referral header. So we will analyze referral header as well. So this is logged in page and we can notice admin panel. Click on admin panel and here we can notice a functionality to upgrade or downgrade user. So first we need to understand the upgrade user workflow. So go to Burp Suite, like I'm using Burp embedded browser so that I can capture request in Burp Suite. Now click on upgrade user functionality to capture the request and analyze it. So after clicking on the request, we can notice the Carlos account is changed to admin and this is the endpoint. Send this request to repeater for further modification. And if we notice the URL, admin roles, then username is passing as Carlos and action is upgrade. And as this challenge is related to referral header, so we can notice this referral header and this is pointing to admin. So basically, referral header um, shows like the navigated pages by that user or the URL from where resource is getting used. So we can understand this workflow like admin user first navigated to this admin panel. In the admin panel, they perform this functionality. So without going to this admin panel, they are not performing this functionality. Now to perform privilege escalation, what we need to do, like first log out from admin account and log in with normal user privilege. So this is the username and password. Copy the username password and log in as normal user. Click on login button. And here we can notice admin panel is not showing. And so we can't go to that admin page. So basically, we can't go to this endpoint from the front end. First thing, so let's assume we are not able to go to this admin page. So we can remove this referral header. So this referral header we are removing because from front end we are not going to admin page. And second, we need to execute this endpoint using winner account. So let's copy the cookie details of winner account. So we will perform this functionality with winner account. Go to cookies section and copy cookie value, change this value, and we need to promote the same logged in account. So we need to change Carlos account to winner. So copy the username. So this is upgrade functionality. Username is changed and session value is also changed to winner session ID. And now click on send button. So we can notice 401 unauthorized. So we are trying to hit this particular endpoint directly. And as per the challenge description, we can understand there is a referral validation implemented. Like to uh, hit this particular endpoint, first user need to visit slash admin page. So what we can do, like we can provide that referral header here. So from HTTP history, copy the entire line, paste in the request. So even though normal user, here we can notice like normal user is logged in and admin panel is not showing. But if normal user is aware of this workflow, they can provide the referrer header like this, and they can hit this particular endpoint. So click on start button. We can notice 302 found response this time instead of 401, and challenge status is also solved. So by providing referrer header manually, we can perform privilege escalation exploit. So challenge solved. Thank you.